To me?
Well, actually, baby naman natin para sa dahon. Tama? Okay, so let us all sing happy birthday song in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday! Everybody say goodbye! Happy birthday to sing! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more time in 3, 2, 1, come on! Happy birthday to you! Hey! Come on! Everybody sing! Walang kumakanta. Video lang. Happy birthday to you! Come on. I wanna sing. I want you guys to sing. Everybody.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello! Okay. A moment of silence because I want to give this opportunity to you for you to be able to make a wish. It's something kung silent or share naman.
Okay po. The name of the...
Wish.
Sorry. Unang-una, wish ko lang is sana manalo ako sa loto. Sorry.
Hindi ka pa tumataya.
Sorry.
Yung taya yun.
First of all, wish ko lang, sana may balik natin yung hobby, of course. Kasi, syempre, yun yung reason din bakit tayo nandito. But if not man, for sure, we have ways to, to be, tawag doon? So, for us to gather again, kung sa ibang platform man yan, or sa kung saan. But, I'm sure, magsistay tayo as, Brody Cakes all together at once. So, yun. Number 2, syempre, I wish na lahat ay maging masaya ngayong gabi. I know lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan, but at least for tonight, I hope everyone is happy and maka-celebrate talaga. And yun, and sana hindi lang birthday ko yung celebrate, yung birthday ng daddy ko, but birthday nating lahat ngayong araw. Yan. And number 3, last, ba't mo kinakount?
Ako, may listahan ka
Kaya, last thing wish ko lang naman is, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap natin. Hindi lang ako, but for all of you guys, we're working so hard every day, and hopefully time will come na mag-result na ito sa magbunga na, tumubo na yung mga dahon. So happy birthday to you and to me and to everyone.